Hello, today I'm here to talk to you about Seesaw, and this is just a quick overview for teachers. As you know, there is Seesaw website and also an app, and what it basically is a multimedia journal, and it allows students to showcase what they're doing in their classroom and allows your parents to also see school projects throughout the year. Another way that teachers often use it is for digital portfolios, and it's a great way for students and teachers to organize themselves throughout the year. And again, like I said before, it's accessible by teacher, student, and parents. Okay, so you can also include parents in real-time snapshots of what's going on in the classroom with your student because they can receive notifications through the app, or they could have text messages or emails. So how Seesaw basically works is the teacher would create a class, and then each student gets their own journal that is stored within that class, and then it gets stored in the cloud. And the students and the teachers, they can choose which artifacts get put into their folders, or teachers could make a folder, like a certain assignment that gets uploaded to the folder. And then students can add their voice, text, or drawings, including some annotations to each item. Teachers would then have to approve those items, and that then gets shared with parents via the app, text message, or the email. So eventually then Seesaw builds this digital portfolio where students can see their progress over the course of the school year. It also is great and comes in handy when it comes to parent-teacher conferences. So why you might want to try Seesaw, it is really easy to set up. It only takes a couple of minutes, and you don't need to be one-to-one iPads to use it. It's designed for students to add their own items, so then it's not as demanding and a burden on you as a teacher, but teachers can always add items as they feel necessary. All projects are also saved in one place, which is really nice. It's not like your students and yourself are like looking in 50 different places to try to find where a document is. It's right there in the student folder. It also gives them some ownership of their own learning, especially if you provide choice and allow them to choose which documents they are putting into the digital portfolio. And as always, it's safe and secure, and because you get to decide who has access to each student journal and what goes in there. You get to approve at all times. And it allows for more connectivity with and personalized communication with parents. So some student features, there's a QR code that they can scan to log in, which makes it pretty simple. They don't need their own accounts and passwords. They just scan the QR code and they're in. They can then tag themselves as the author to add the different items. You can capture and upload. So when you capture a picture and you upload it, they take the photos, then you can create a drawing if you want, choose something from the camera roll, or make it their own video. And then they can go and they can annotate on there as well using, they can do the voice recorder only up to 5 minutes, the drawing tool, things, and so forth. Some of the features for the teacher is the item approval. So you can see here the student view and then the teacher view. So it'll say like approve 1 item. If you have a couple of items to approve, it would be like approve 5 items. All you have to do is quickly scan and approve all the items literally with just 1 click. You can set up automatic approval settings, but that again is up to your discretion. Okay, so you can see here on the right side, like where it says everyone would be like the whole feed of everyone's assignments. If you just want to click on, for example, Anna's folder, it would have Anna's assignments in the folder. So like this is mentioning down there, you can browse the whole class or just review a single student's journal. The parents would only have access to their son or daughter's journal though. So with the parent communication, it's you can easily keep, like I said, the parents in the loop and engage in the classroom. They'll get updates for their child and only their child, and some automatic notifications if they set that up on their end. You can also engage them with the visual update, so you can take some pictures and send it along. And like we mentioned, it is safe and secure. It does not get shared with third parties, which some people always ask. They're only accessible for the people that you invite them in. So you can see a couple of different resources that I can share your way if you're interested in them, and then you just have to get started. So if you have any questions, like I said, this is a really great tool for digital portfolios and to increase parent, student, and teacher communication. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out at rgibney@iu17.org. Thank you.